Hello, dear my students. Let's start our online computer class. So now open your computer book, Cyber Hub, Standard 3, page number 42. So today I will teach you selecting the text. How can you select the text? If you wish to make changes in your text, you have to select it first. Suppose you change or you want to change the writing style of automatically, this word automatically, then you have to select this word first. Okay, when the text is selected, it gets highlighted in gray color. When you select this word, it is highlighted by gray color. The text can be selected by using the selection bar. So you can select the text using the selection bar, which is the space between the left margin and the beginning of the line to be selected. Here you see, suppose it is left margin and it is top margin. So space bar is the space between left margin and beginning of the line. Suppose you starts your line from here. Okay, so the selection bar is between left margin and beginning of the line. This space is called selection bar. In order to select a word or sentence, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Place the cursor at the left of the word or the sentence to be selected. So your first step is place the cursor at the left of the word or the sentence. Step 2. You can either use the mouse or keyboard or both to make the selection. So for selection you can use mouse or keyboard or both mouse and keyboard. Step 3. When the text is selected, it becomes highlighted in gray. When you select the text, it will highlighted in gray color. So next, selecting the text with mouse. How can you select the text with the help of mouse? When you drag the mouse over any part of the text, it will get selected. Given in the following table are some mouse actions for various kinds of text selection. To select a word. How can you select a word with the help of mouse? Double click anywhere on the word. Suppose you want to select the word mouse, then you double click on this mouse word. Okay, then it is selected. A line. How can you select a line? Click the selection bar to the left of the line of text. Suppose you select this line, then you click on the selection bar, then your line will be selected. To select a paragraph. How can you select a paragraph? Double click the selection bar or triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Suppose you want to select paragraph, then you triple click in the selection bar, double click in the selection bar or triple click in the paragraph. To select entire document. How can you select entire full document? Triple click anywhere on the selection bar. So to select entire document, you triple click in the selection bar, then your entire document will select. Okay. Then selecting the text with keyboard. Then how can you select the text with the help of keyboard? Bring the cursor to the left of the first character from where the selection is to be made. You can use the following key combinations for selection. To select one character, to the right of the cursor, Shift plus right arrow key. One character to the left of the cursor, Shift plus left arrow key. One line up, Shift plus up arrow key. One line down, Shift plus down arrow key. Till the beginning of the line, Shift plus home key. Till the end of the line, Shift plus end key. To the beginning of the document, Shift plus Ctrl plus home key. To the end of the document, Shift plus Ctrl plus end key. Entire document, Ctrl plus A. So dear my students, today your homework is, you will read this selecting the text 3 times, okay, and you have to remember this selection process. How can you select a word with the help of mouse? How can you select a line with the help of mouse? How can you select entire document with the help of mouse? Or how can you select entire document with the help of keyboard? Okay, you remember this shortcut key. Okay, thank you my dear students.